0.5.
I think we're going to do size of your hole part 2. It is. So Jace is doing some wiring.
Well, not yet, but...
He's looking at doing some wiring. And he was fitting up some coils. And we've made a discovery that, hey, it's a new one for me. I didn't realise. But it does kind of make sense because sometimes guys said I had to do nothing. And other guys said it had to be sanded down and made smaller. Well, apparently you don't have to make them smaller on this one. But you do on that one.
By half mil.
Half a mil.
It's the... Use this one.
So this is definitely a Gen 2 engine. What do you got?
Yeah, 24.
24.5?
Yep.
24.5? So this, we're referring to the side, oh, it's a standard one. So these are normal, unmodified, no changes to that coil. Look, it fits in the hole. I'm going to take this coil, and Jace is in the way. And I'm going to put it down this hole.
And there's the size of that one.
23.84. 23.84, so that. And this one doesn't fit.
I think if you took there's a taper at the... There's a bigger taper on the top of this one instead of that one.
Is it a bigger taper though because it's slightly thicker in the sleeve?
Maybe.
It's definitely different size tubes.
You can see the taper there. So there's only a little taper.
It is only a little taper, yeah.
On the very outside edge.
Oh, I think that they've just got a thinner tube in the later ones. So the OD is the same because the spark plug seal, tube seal is the same, but the tube definitely isn't the same.
Oh, they're just not...
Yeah, look at that. So there we go. A bit of useless information on the size of your hole. Spark plug tubes. Gen 2 engine. Fit.
50.
Gen 1 engine. No fitty.
Ribs. Don't like the ribs.
It doesn't like the ribs.
It's not for its pleasure.
No. Golly gosh, that's really interesting.
Golly gosh. Golly gosh. Oh, golly gosh. Hey, the coil's on the wrong way, Kevin. Let's go that way.
That's enough for today. We learned something. It was interesting. Might not be interesting for anyone else, but it was interesting for me. Another piece of useless information that's been lodged into my brain.
I stumped Kelvin.
You did? Yep.
Kel, what's this?
I know. That's bizarre. Righto. We'll catch you later.